Hey guys, it's your bike. He's live on Binance announcement. It says the Binance code is now live, so you want to check out this new feature on the Binance platform. But meanwhile, I said Binance, fellow Binanceans, Binance gift card has launched Binance code, a brand new product that allows simple crypto transfer, exchange, and payments through secure and prepaid and codes. So Binance code can be purchased and traded via distributors and exchange brokers and used for payments with merchants. So businesses can integrate with Binance Code API and expand their services to include crypto payments, trading, reward programs, and much more. So with Binance Code, users can deposit and withdraw crypto without fiat or P2P restrictions. So trade Binance Code has crypto assets in a peer-to-peer format on any supporting exchange or broker platform. So Binance Code represents a crypto asset can be redeemed to deposit crypto into the user's funding wallet via the Binance app or website. So you can use the Binance Code as a payment method through merchant partners. You can also transfer crypto between different exchanges at a minimal cost. So these are some of the perks of these Binance codes. To become a Binance code partner, there are some few details here that you can, if you're interested in becoming distributor, exchange broker, or merchant partner, you need to look out for. You can also get started with the Binance Code API, guidelines on how to download it and utilize it on your business page. Meanwhile, I said for disclaimer, it's a risk warning. This cryptocurrency trading is subject to high risk, so you want to be aware of this, and you're only advised to invest what you're capable of losing. So that's that. Is your buy key. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, guys, and one love. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be dropping this link or this article in the comment section, so the description box, so you can get access to these and many more.